She know I get that pull up, man. Trap on you, heavy. We ballin' every night, baby. Whoa, keep on selling. Same in my game. I'm a fiend, I'm an addict. Whoever knocking at the door, I told them I got to have it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this keychain. I will put a close-up picture so you guys can see it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And let's keep this series going. You guys loved it clearly because last video was like over 150 views. And yeah, I think we finally found our little niche or whatever. So thank you guys so much for watching and tuning into my last video. If you haven't already seen it, I hope to put a link right here. But if not, stay tuned until the end so we can see how we did. Let me know in the comments below what you did like or didn't like, or what colors you want to see next time. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys so much. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As I've probably already said in the intro, we're just gonna do a voiceover with this vlog. It's not even a vlog. What are we talking about? Anyways, hey guys, just for the sake of, again, me trying to stay consistent and me again trying to get this content out for you guys while, you know, hello, working a full-time job, hello, being a freaking mom, hello, being a dog mom, hello, and, you know, trying to spend time with my man. But anyways, y'all weren't here for that. You're here for the craft. So here's the 5-minute craft with Lex. I have really had a passion for, don't mind the blinker, y'all know I'm doing this voiceover while like on the go. If you're new here, I'm sorry, but I'm honestly not sorry because this is real. This is me. This is Lex. This is my life. So like I was saying, I have gotten Hey guys, it's me again. So for those of you that actually were here for the craft video, basically the only thing that I've done so far was bring out my keychains that I obviously got from Hobby Lobby. I'm in Cricut Design Space, just looking at the design, seeing any of them that I like or if I want to tweak them to my liking. And yeah, then we will use our normal vinyl and our transfer tape to put it all together. So stay tuned until the end to see how it all turns out. And yet again, please do not come for me and my dirty mat. If you guys want to look to see what I do to clean my mats, there is a video on my channel as well. But yeah, here we are, just giving you a realistic view of my desk. My window's open, letting some fresh air in. There is my Chick-fil-A cookie snack and some bagel bites. So yeah, that's my fuel of the day. Just showing you a little up close and personal of the design that I tried, but I honestly didn't really like it. But I mean, it turned out cute. It honestly turned out cute. So yeah, here are the tools that you will need. A weed pen is my favorite, or just the standard little Cricut weeding tool. This one's actually from Pop Shelf. You'll also need the squeegee little squeegee thing, and then also you will need a pair of scissors. So yeah, let's get into it.
Week that I decided to record a productive week in my life was one of the busiest weeks I've had.
Okay guys, so I really just wanted to point out that your girl is struggling to line this little vinyl up on a keychain, but you know, it is what it is. I just want to show y'all that, you know, it isn't perfect the very first time. So if you are someone like me, a beginner crafter, but I'm low-key advanced, low-key, I ain't gonna hold you, but anyways, if you're a beginner crafter, don't get frustrated. It's okay. Like, I promise you, we mess up all the time. But one thing thing about it is everything's fixable pretty much. Like everything's fixable. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how we actually burnish the vinyl onto the keychain, and then I just go in with my fingers just to add like a little bit of that warmth to get that vinyl and adhesive stuck to the keychain, if that makes sense. So yeah, you guys, if you guys have any questions about, you know, any of the crafts that I do just let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, just want to pop in and let you guys know that everything isn't perfect. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so what do you think? It's pretty easy to make, right? Like, keychains are so easy. I'm so glad I finally found, like, I found out about this craft. Like, I mean, I knew about keychains, but like, let's be serious. Like, I wasn't serious. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, another 5-minute craft with Flex. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, excuse the background. I am just trying to stay consistent. So shout out to me for putting out yet another video, like putting out yet another video for you guys. So and we've actually been doing really well, you guys. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.